Hey, I'm Melanie Trailer, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Dilly Dally Quilt Class. Alright, so Dilly Dally is going to be my next book, and I'm launching a class before the book actually comes out. Dilly Dally book should be coming out summer 2025. But we're launching this class, and you're going to make my first quilt with me if you want to. So let me dive in and tell you all about it. Alright, so here is a look at Dilly Dally. This is a sampler quilt. It measures 70 inches by 70 inches. There are 49 6.5-inch blocks and 5 borders. It's probably going to be one of my most time-consuming quilt patterns to date. And yeah, it's going to take up a whole 99-page book. This quilt is for advanced beginners. However, there will be a demo for every step of the book. So if you are a beginner with determination, because this is a big project, if you are that beginner, you're welcome to join in. But just, heads up, it's a lot of blocks. It's a lot of tiny piecing. And that's the other thing, tiny piecing. All right, we are going down a rabbit hole with this quilt. This will be the tiniest piecing I have ever done to date in 15 plus years of quilting. So during this class, we're going to be making every part of this quilt together, and the class is going to come with the patterns. So it will not be in complete single PDF book format the way the published book will come out, but it's going to be broken up instead because it's going to be a giant file and there's no way for me to have a download that large. So you'll get the entire book with the class, but it'll just be broken up into different patterns within the book. Let's talk about sampler quilts. So for the beginner people who are here, what is a sampler quilt? Instead of having a single block that repeats itself within a quilt, a sampler has a multitude of blocks. So what you end up with is a very detailed and intricate quilt that usually is one of a kind. In this class, you're going to learn tiny piecing. You're going to learn a whole bunch of different block styles and techniques. You're going to master tiny piecing and, gain confidence in making quilts and being able to take on probably any quilt after this one. So within the class, there is support along the way. You can always reach out to me individually, or there is a discussion section of the class where you can talk with other participants or with me. It's just open, like a free-for-all for us to chat or ask for help or anything that you need. I want to be honest about the tiny piecing. The tiniest pieces are going to be, like a 1/2 inch finished. So I want to stress tiny piecing. Every block is 6.5 inches, and I feel like they're very approachable, and there'll be a demo for every single step of the way of making these blocks. I hope you decide to take the Dilly Dally class with me. This is going to be a really just very amazing project that is going to really challenge you and help you gain confidence and just make you proud of being able to finish something this detailed. There's a link right below this video that is going to tell you even more nitty-gritty details about this class. So be sure to click that and enroll. I'd love to have you there. There's a couple more videos on that page that will include some additional answers to some questions and things like that. So I want to invite you to go click that and then watch those videos. I've got all of those videos marked as a freebie to watch. So dive in, tell me what you think. Take the class. I cannot wait.